Now that we've completed number 2, let's move on to number 3. I'm going to zoom out here. And what I'm going to do is I'm simply going to fold my multi-view projection paper so that it will be easier to view the isometric view and the multi-view. So I'll zoom back in here. And you may remember, what's the first thing that we do? If you said label the isometric view, you're right. I can view this from the front, so I'm going to identify that as plane A. As I look down from the top, I'm going to identify this as plane C, this is plane CC, and this is plane CCC. From the right side, I'm going to identify this as plane B, and this is plane BB. Now, if your labeling is different than mine, that's okay. What is important is that your multi-view projection is labeled the same way as your isometric view. So maybe you label this plane B and this plane BB. No problem. Just make sure that when you build your right side view, you have your labeling the same as your isometric view. All right, let's keep going. When you build your front view, you're going to take a look at the overall shape first, and then you're going to go through and you can count those blocks to help you figure out where they need to be. Once you have those blocks counted, if it looks good, the dots that you have marked, you can go through and draw in those straight lines. Don't forget to label your plane. Additionally, it might not be a bad idea for you to label these planes that you know before you begin the top and right side view. When I say these planes, I'm talking about these lines, right? Because the lines represent the edges of planes. Very good.